Welcome to Mitas Electronics, where innovation meets precision. We offer custom-built, cutting-edge micro-coaxial cable assemblies to power the latest advancements in high-end computing, AR, VR, and various consumer and industrial applications. Our solutions are built with the best interconnect brands on the market today, ensuring high-performance data transmission across industry. Our micro-coaxial cable assemblies provide unmatched signal integrity with minimal signal loss. They ensure flawless high-speed data transmission, designed with space efficiency in mind. These cable assemblies integrate seamlessly into compact devices like smartphones, wearables, and more. Our cable assemblies adapt to a wide range of industries, from automotive and aerospace infotainment systems to high-definition displays and 5G technology. Built to endure the toughest environments, our cable assemblies can be customized to maintain performance even in extreme conditions, ensuring long-lasting reliability. Our micro-coaxial cable assemblies are trusted in automotive infotainment systems, 5G networks, high-resolution displays, and even life-saving medical equipment. At Mitas Electronics, we are committed to providing tailored solutions, delivering superior quality with every product. We are dedicated to outstanding time to market and time to scale services with a first to respond, first to deliver commitment to ensuring your success. Elevate your projects with Mitas Electronics. Our micro-coaxial cable assemblies offer unparalleled performance for all your high-speed data needs. Contact us today to get started. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on custom cables.